Guys, welcome back to this channel. So we're doing frontal installation judging by the title of this video. If you want to see how I made this week, how I revamp it, definitely do check my videos, and of course I'll be sure to leave it in the description box down below. So all I just did, I removed my earrings and I just tried to lay down my natural hair using the go-to glue. Of course, this is optional. You don't have to do this if your hair is neat. And I'll be using this glue or bond glue, but it's thick because I mistakenly left it open. I did not really tight it that much, but if you still have your own good, it doesn't really matter anyways. So I wanted to do apply the glue 2 times, and this is because I actually wanted to use it for 2 to 3 days, right? So I have another video on my channel on how to install 360 wig or full lace wig by yourself without the help of anybody, how to go to the back and secure the back, and it lasted for about 8 days or 9 days. So you might want to check that out if it's something that you're interested in. So guys, this video is actually more like a self-explanatory video, so you might not hear my voice that much because I will only pop back when there's something important to talk about. Other than that, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next in the commenting section. And of course, if your frontal is not bleached, you might want to use wig cap, and I should have used wig cap anyways, but I could not find anyone at home, so I just had to install it like that, and it still give what you're supposed to give. Okay. I love this frontal so much. It's giving natural hair vibes, and I've had this frontal for ages. Like I said in my previous video, I cannot even find this frontal anywhere in the markets again. The frontal that is in the markets now are normal frontal, or you just have to buy your hair bundle and give it to ventilator to ventilate it for you, but it's not even the same anymore. It's not the same again. But this is it. I just wanted to go in with this black to further secure it because I wanted to like go take my parts, since I can't just sit down here and be waiting. I have a place I'm going to, and I do not want to just sit without doing anything, and I don't want to make up. Or I think I still did my makeup, and so I want to take my bath. Yes, so you can see. But the mistake I made was I did not use maybe shower cap or put nylon over my head. So when I was washing my face, water kind of slipped through a little bit. But since I'm not really wanting this hair to like last for long, so it doesn't really matter, and I decided to go for the new baby hair method. So guys, if you're watching to this part, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. Feel free to check out my channel. I have amazing makeup tutorials. How I made this wig, I revamped this wig from old wig to this beautiful bob wig you're seeing. And this takes us to the end of the video. Thank you once again. Bye.